In a world where everything moves faster, some people keep up in a completely unexpected way. Not with their phone, not with their computer, but with a small cube in their hands. Rubik's Cube. 6 faces and over 43 billion possible positions. A number greater than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. And yet, speed cubing champions can find the solution in just a few seconds. But how exactly do they do it? The answer is in their brain, transformed in ways you never imagined. Today we begin our series on Rubik's Cube based on a cutting-edge 2025 study of professional solvers. Discover how these athletes develop extraordinary neural efficiency to process information at incredible speed. A journey where fun meets science starts now.